Hello and welcome to Eunoia Consultants. Today's tutorial is going to be Microsoft Excel. We're going to be learning how to change our page layout so that we can print our information correctly without our sheets being cut and avoiding printing too many pages and information not coming out correctly. So firstly, we need to see we have a document that we have with different columns and content that we've put in different rows, and we need to see how it's coming out on our print preview. So it's very important to always go to your print preview before you decide to print so that you see exactly what the document will look like. So currently it's telling us our document has got 14 pages, but we might know that our pages should actually be 5. So we're just going to double check to see what our layout is looking like. So we can see some of the information is cut and it's trying to fit everything into a specific page, which can be confusing if there is no order to it. So if you are starting off, we're going to first click on Home. We had already clicked on Page Layout, but you would start from Home and then we would go to Page Layout. And on our Page Layout, we're going to Scale to Fit, and where it says Width, we want to change our width from automatic to 1 page. This ensures that all our content is going to be a width of 1 page, so it's not going to try and create other pages for us. So we'll go back to our print preview and we're going to check if things are now looking different. So now it's come down from 14 to 5 pages, which is good. So if we now check our content, things are now aligned, but we can see that the heading does not continuously go to each page. So we need to change that. So how we are going to make sure that there's a title on each page, we're going to go to Print Titles. So if you click on Print Titles, it will open up a small window, and we want to select the option that says Rows to Repeat at Top. So if you put your mouse inside there and then we click on the row we want it to repeat, in this case it's going to be row 2. So we want that entire row to repeat when we are printing, and if we click OK, and we go back to our print preview so that we can check that all the headings are appearing on each page. Perfect. So now let's just check each and every page. As we can see, the heading still appears so someone can easily follow. So you're done and you're ready to print. You're either printing to a printer or you're printing to PDF, and you can send this on email. Just another recap of how we put the print titles. Click on Print Titles, Row to Repeat at the top. We make sure it's the correct row and you're done. For more tutorials, please visit our YouTube channel, Eunoia Consultants, like us on Facebook, and visit our website. Thank you.